Veronica, can I see your Christmas pajamas?
Veronica, say hi, Daddy.
Veronica, say hello.
Make it stay up.
Say hello.
Hello.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
Ha!
Veronica, what are you doing? It's the night before Christmas, and all through the house, two little children were stirring and playing with milk jugs too.
No.
You guys ready for bed? Who's coming tonight?
The night before Christmas.
Who comes tonight, James?
No creature was stirring. Not even a mouse.
Who comes tonight?
Santa Claus! It is raining.
Santa's reindeer, huh? Where did you put their food?
On the side.
Oh my goodness.
So they all can have eat.
Say hi, Daddy.
No dash. Dance.